We're looking at a penthouse suite on board the newly refurbished Oceania Insignia. And hey guys, I'm Mike. Welcome to Affluent Journeys. That's my website, affluentjourneys.com. So let's have a look here in the brand new master bath. Of course, it's a single sink configuration with Bulgari amenities. Of course, you have the lighted vanity mirror and storage space in here. That's for the hair dryer. Get the nice Oceania branded towels. Of course, you'll have a glass-in shower. The door opens inward on this one. Of course, you have the rainfall shower head and then the removable handle there as well. Standard slate look on the floor. And then we have plenty of closet space here for you. You're going to have the nice bathrobes and slippers, umbrellas for use. Those are the life jackets there. You do get Butler Service when you're in the penthouse accommodations. You do have some complimentary laundry as well, and they have free self-laundry if you'd rather do it on your own. You do have the Cashmere blankets, shoe shine equipment, and some complimentary pressing as well. Safe to keep your valuables. Big mirror so you can make sure you look good on your Oceania cruise. And this is the big king bed here. It does separate into two twins. This is all newly decorated and refurbished here as well. They now have the USB ports on both sides of the bed, and this is a combo American and international port. And on this side you'll have the lighted vanity desk, writing desk. It's your phone. They'll put all of your papers, notepads. You'll have a daily schedule here as well. And a free complimentary bottled water. You're going to have brand new Samsung flat screen TVs with all the latest infotainment, movies, satellite television, that kind of thing as well. And in the penthouse you get the hide-sick welcome champagne, some petit fours, a little love seat here, nice artwork. I forgot to mention over there by the desk you have both international American ports and two USBs as well. And we'll take a look out here on the veranda. So you'll have two chaise chairs like that, and another one on that side. Of course, we're in Port Miami today, and we're got the bunker vessel here. We're filling up gas. They're doing a 7-night Caribbean cruise here in October. And it's a bit noisy. We'll finish up inside. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the penthouse suite here on board the newly refurbished Oceania Insignia. I am a luxury travel agent. I do represent and recommend Oceania, of course. And if you're seriously interested in booking a cruise on Oceania, I'd love to hear from you about it. And in most cases, I can improve on the offer that you would have direct with the cruise lines. Even if you've already booked that cruise recently and directly with Oceania's North American offices only, not through another travel agent, not through Europe, UK, or Australia. Sorry guys, I can't help you there. But if you booked under those circumstances within the past 30 days, and you're not paid in full, then in most cases I can still improve on that offer and I'll be glad to do it. So serious inquiries, you may contact me today at the phone number down below or submit your inquiry on my website, affluentjourneys.com. Now, if you liked what you saw today, I hope you did. Please make sure to hit like on the video down below. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already. That helps me a lot. And have a look at my playlist. I have over 250 cruise tour videos and a whole bunch more if you want to look around there as well. Now, if you follow Affluent Journeys on Facebook, that's very important. You'll find all of my special deals and exclusive offers, including those on Oceania there. And give me a follow on Instagram. You'll see some other things that I do, and little travel shorts and vlogs and that type of thing. So, thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and please stay tuned for the next one.